join us. Me and Buzz are back out again. We're just going to make a short film to celebrate our Christmas wild camp. So we're going to have a bit of scoff, get a fire on, just getting some wood in. You can probably hear it. Wind's blowing, sails storming. So as we all know, perfect for being outdoors. We love it. Catch you later.
Okay, the start of the Christmas weekend. We've got a massive bonus ball before we start. We've still got a bench in place, but we left the boots last time. Look at that, full of water. So before we do anything, we get a brew on. Oh, there's a good brew there, isn't there? Once we get fire going, that's us sorted. Nice cup of tea. See you later, chaps and chapesses. Go up before it's late. Loads of twigs, just waz them all in. Light them at top, let them burn. And that's it.
Perfect. Just cooking some scoff up. We've got little Tommies on go. Little Tomshoo stoves. Put a link in. That's what everyone else says on YouTube, doesn't it? We'll put a link in comments, then you can
put a link in, yeah.
Yeah, see what kit we're using. Little gasifier stove, twig stove, perfect. So as Buzz said, a nice little bit of homemade pea and ham soup. And if you look at, you get a slower burn, you can see gasification going on right outside. Great little stove, 19 quid.
Keep that going now. Smallest twigs you can find, really, innit?
Sin, get in there.
Just give it some love.
Buzz is just saying his prayers before we eat.
I'm pointing east.
Buzz has gone for his frame again, but he's made some mods. He were on sewing machine this week, making his... What do you call it, Buzz?
What?
You made a what's it, an outer, didn't you, for your sitting pad thing and all that lot?
Oh, it's like a big envelope, innit, to put all my foam mat in.
Yeah.
I made all that and a bag to put it in. So loads of good kit going at the moment.
Happy days. Right, leave you in peace, mate, and just go back to that fire.
Always.
Got a tarp up just over admin area. Just cause it's been awful. Just how we like it. Hail, rain. Cool, how warm's that? Happy birthday. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Do you like?
Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Oh, I better kill me light. Merry Christmas, everybody.
So this is one of my Christmas presents off Buzz. Homemade. It's called the Tom Bomb. It's to go inside the Tomshoo stove. It even has its own bag. It's also a game. Buzz's sense of humour coming out. Jigsaw puzzle. Single use.
Point this way. Point this side towards the enemy.
Cheers, buddy. It's going to come in handy this morning. Good effort, mate. I think it snowed last night, didn't it?
Just a little bit.
Right, I'm turning this off because I ain't falling in. That's that. I thought, just as you were walking, beautiful, isn't it? That sun just breaking onto them berries. We're lucky, aren't we?
Lucky.
Yep. Right, so this is us walking out after winter camp. Probably at Christmas wild camp. So we're going to leave you now because we've got about 5.5 miles to go and Buzz is getting away from me. Right, Merry Christmas everybody. Shout Merry Christmas, Buzz.
Merry Christmas.
And see you in 2020.